I just wanted to show a couple features of this phone. It's actually a weird little phone. Um, this is not an iPhone, but by looking at it, you can't really tell. Other than this is red, it does come in white or black. But from looking at the phone, you can't really tell that it's not an iPhone. Of course, when you turn it on, it is slightly different. But the look and the feel of it is probably the closest that I've seen to the iPhone. Um, just looking at the keyboard, like go into your text, you can see um, that the keyboard is really similar to the iPhone keyboard. A few other things. This phone's slightly different. It does support dual SIM, which most of the copycat phones do. One SIM would go right here, and then the other on top, like the regular iPhone. You don't have to use both, of course, but it is an option if you want to use two phone numbers. It's very, very similar to the iPhone. A few things it doesn't have that the iPhone has is it doesn't do GPS, it doesn't have Wi-Fi, and there's no 3G on this phone. It just uses your GPRS that cell phones have used. It does have the slide to browse through your pictures. It doesn't have the turnover feature that the iPhone has. Some of the copycat phones do. This one doesn't, but it does have the slide to browse through your pictures. Even the media player is pretty close to the iPhone. You've got 5 pages of menus that you can scroll over onto just by dragging over like this. I haven't figured out how to put any more icons on any of the consecutive pages, but either way they're there. You've got your Java over here, if you can see that. This is where you install your programs, any apps that you download from the internet, anything that uses Java 2.0 will work on this phone. You just copy it onto the memory card and install it from there. It's got a calculator. You've got your game menu. You've got a video recorder. Regular camera. You've got your file manager where everything's stored. You got slight storage on the phone, and then it's got a built-in 2 GB memory where you'll where you store everything else. It's got a world clock, which I don't really see the point of, but it's there. Let's see. You've got a notepad where you can store reminders or anything you want to store. Just go to the notepad, click on it, to-do list. And that's that. Your settings, just like any phone. It's got Bluetooth. You can change your profiles, your wallpaper, etc. And here's your dialer. Pretty much exactly like the iPhone. One thing I do want to show you is that you've got a V-mail down here. You've got video mail on this phone and video calling on this phone. If you can see right up here at the top, that's actually a camera right there. It's got the regular camera right here for pictures and video, but it's got this camera right here on the front where you can do video calling. If someone were to have the same phone or phone with that feature, I think any phone with that feature it works with, but either way, that's the camera for video. If anyone's actually interested in seeing the person that they're talking to. Also, this camera doubles as a webcam. If you plug it into your computer in the USB port, it'll work as a webcam as well. That's really about it. I mean, as you can see, it's very, very similar to the iPhone. It even says iPhone. It even has the logo. If you look at the box that it comes in, I mean, this is the box that it comes in. It comes with a little soft pouch that says iPhone. It comes with a manual that says 3G. I mean, this is the closest copycat phone that I've seen. The headphones are identical. Even the charger is exactly the same as the iPhone is, which is really weird, but it's a good phone. Other than the really expensive features that the iPhone has, I mean, it's probably the closest thing you can get to the iPhone. You've even got a calendar right here where you can store all your dates and all your info, anything you want to do.